vlog number 2. Actually 3.
3?
No, yeah,
no,
3.
No, it's 2.
It's 3.
What was the other one?
One. I don't know. It's windy,
but it's sunny, so I'm cold and warm at the same time. And I'm so confused. And I'm using her as a shield from the wind.
I just want it to not be windy, because then I can take my clothes off.
You always take your clothes off there.
What's your point?
4.
It's true. And my boyfriend met my parents yesterday.
Oh, that must have been fun.
It was.
No! Oh, you put it back upside down. What was that?
I have no idea.
Anyway, so go on with your story before
they talked about cars, and I had no fucking idea what they were doing.
Wow, it's awesome. My boyfriend is going camping this weekend.
He's gonna get raped by a bear.
No.
He's gonna get raped by a bear.
You're gonna get raped by a bear.
I already was.
Thanks for bringing up that painful experience. Oh, it's so windy and
Not good. You're on my hair.